If your hair falls out in clumps during wash day, slow hair growth, thin hair, crazy dry hair, and brittle hair, make this DIY herbal leave-in hair growth and dry hair relief conditioner. It curbs hair loss, breakage, thinning. It thickens the hair, strengthens the hair follicles. It promotes healthy hair growth, stimulates the scalp. It helps alleviate scalp soreness, dryness, and itchiness. Join me, let's make this simple yet potent hair growth leave-in conditioner. I can tell you that this product moisturizes hair and thickens hair as well. All you need is just 3 simple ingredients. You are going to experience extreme hair growth and thickness. Keep in mind that you must be consistent with this treatment and use it 2 to 3 times weekly, and have patience when using this product. This product is made with hair-loving ingredients, products that won't weigh your hair down but make your hair feel lush. Welcome to the channel. My name is Dima. Please like this video before you leave, subscribe to the channel, share this video out to your friends and family. Just in case you don't understand anything in the course of this video, please feel free to ask me questions in the comment section below. Ensure you watch this video to the end, because towards the end lies all the instructions you need for this product that we are about to make. To begin, the first thing you want to do is to sanitize your hands and also sterilize all apparatus to be used. And our first ingredient for this recipe is Moringa powder. Moringa is loaded with nutrients such as vitamins A, B, C, and E, iron, zinc, and essential amino acids, which are very valuable to the hair. This herb is rich in chlorophyll, complete amino acids, and antioxidants, all of which are responsible for nourishing your hair. Moringa contains high contents of vitamin A, thus supporting hair growth. Vitamin A plays a very vital role in the development of healthy cells and tissues in the body and in reducing hair loss. Moringa is one of the top vegetable sources of iron, makes it a suitable herb for natural hair growth. According to various medical journals, iron deficiency has been associated with hair loss. Iron boosts oxygen circulation in the blood all the way to your scalp. When your scalp has sufficient supply of oxygen, your hair follicles grow better. For the proportion, we are just going to be making use of 1 tablespoon of the Moringa powder, just a little quantity that I'm about to make. But if you're to make large quantity of this, you have to increase your Moringa powder. For my oil of choice, I'm going to be making use of sweet almond oil. You can use grapeseed oil, you can use olive or coconut oils, whichever you like. So I'm just going to be making use of ½ cup of sweet almond oil. Then I pour that in the Moringa powder in the bowl, stir to combine. You can add more oil if you so desire. So I noticed that the Moringa swallowed the oil, then I had to add little of the sweet almond oil to it and then stirred. I think is better now. So using DIY double boiler method, I'm going to be infusing the Moringa in the oil just so the Moringa can release all its benefits in the oil. I stirred continuously until 15 minutes mark. Then after 15 minutes mark, then this is ready. Once the oil was ready, I turned my stove off and then brought down the oil with the help of a hand glove. Please do not burn your hands. Use a glove to bring this down to avoid burning. So next, I brought a beaker to sieve this using my strainer. You can use cheesecloth to top up your strainer so that you don't get particles in the oil, because you don't need particles for this. You can see how concentrated this is. So if you strain it with just normal strainer, you're not going to get the best. So you have to apply your cheesecloth so that you can trap all the chaff Then after sieving, here is my leave-in conditioner. Please feel free to use any leave-in conditioner of your choice. That's why I'm not showing any brand. This video is not sponsored, so I'm just using any brand of leave-in conditioner that I have around me. So make sure to use leave-in conditioner. Also note that there are differences between leave-in conditioner and deep conditioner. So the one you ought to use is leave-in conditioning cream. That's what I'm using here. For the proportion, I measured out 5 tablespoons of the leave-in conditioning cream and then combined the oil with the leave-in conditioner, stir to combine, just mix up everything. From my previous Moringa products, you guys have asked this question a lot of times, and I have to answer right now in this video so that you won't ask again in the comment section of this video. Maybe you can ask me other questions. So this moringa is from the leaves. The leaves were dried and then grinded into powder. Okay, if you want a video on that, is on this channel. Check my previous videos. You will see how I made this moringa powder. So this is what it looks like after transferring it into this my container. It looks so yummy, but it's amazing, guys. So amazing. This is one way to activate your leave-in conditioning cream to give you the best results you so desire. Look at that consistency, guys. This product is super moisturizing. So how to use this product: you can apply it on your hair shaft, you can skip hairspray, you can also add hairspray. I have moringa hairspray on this channel. You can combine this with the moringa hairspray. For a perfect challenge, you can combine the two and use it as a challenge. Make it your challenge for 30 days, 15 days, 30 days, and see how it works for you. All these products are truly potent and they work so well. If you're looking for one herb to try, I think moringa should be that herb that you should give a shot. Moringa helps in thickening of hair, and I'm not even joking when I said that moringa thickens hair. From inception, I've been using moringa and it's been so amazing. I've gotten lots of feedbacks from most of you that use my DIY products that use moringa. The moringa is really thickening. So if your hair is sparse, if your hair is thinning, I think you should try out this method, starting with the spray and then combine it with this leave-in conditioner. Instead of applying normal leave-in conditioner to your hair, transform it into this potent leave-in conditioner and see how it works for you. Just be patient, give it like 30 days and you will definitely see results. So that brings me to the end of this video. Please, if you have questions for me, do not hesitate to ask away in the comment section and I will definitely reply. Also, if you're looking for where to shop this, kindly head on Amazon, type on the search bar moringa and it will pop up. I'm sure they ship worldwide. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next one.